Okay guys, so today I'm gonna give you the NASDAQ model you've been waiting for so long time. Okay, we hit 1,000 subscribers, that's amazing, and you all deserve this model, right? So pay attention to this video. It's gonna be probably a long video because I want to teach you all the details of this model, right? So stay with me, and I want to make a deal with you guys right here in this video, right? You just hit the like button, okay, and you leave it the like until the end of the video, right? If you don't like for any reason the content in this video, you just take it off the like in the end, right? That's the only thing I asking you, okay? Just leave the like in the end. If you don't like, just take the like off, and that's okay. So no further ado, let me teach you guys NASDAQ model, right? What the fuck this is green? NASDAQ model. So long video today, right? So grab your coffee, sit comfortably in your chair and enjoy the content, right? First thing, guys, time. It's more important than price. Okay, this is the major thing you want to understand about this model, right? So we do have a time window to trade, okay? And this time window, okay, it's the 9 a.m. until 11 a.m. Okay, it's where the big moves happen. So you want to be in the market 9 a.m. because the market opens at 9:30. Okay, and before guys, you asking me this, works in other actors, of course. Okay, in gold, yes. In Dow Jones, yes. S&P, yes. Just NASDAQ is the better. So focus on NASDAQ. Okay, this is why this is the NASDAQ model. Okay, so focus on the NASDAQ for this. If you don't want to trade NASDAQ, go to other videos here in the channel. I'm gonna teach you about Forex and other things, okay? But this model specific is NASDAQ. Works in other, works, but it's better in NASDAQ, okay? So stay in NASDAQ. It's my tip for you guys, okay? Anyway, we have our time window, 9 to 11 a.m., okay? You only trade in this time window here, okay? Only trade in this time window. That's important, right? The second thing, it's our candle range, because we need a specific candle range, okay? And this candle range is the 8 a.m. candle or 9 a.m. candle, and I will explain why it can be both, okay? Why this is both, okay? After that, we got our candle range. We need a key level, okay? We have a key level, we have a trade. And I want to explain for you guys, you can trade just the candle range. Yes, you can. But let me write this. Candle range only equals good trade, okay? Candle range plus key level, perfect trade, okay? So focus on candle range plus key level. You always want to see a candle range and a key level, okay? It's likely mandatory, okay? Candle range plus key level. It's only candle range, yeah, could be work, but it's not perfect, okay? The perfect model, it's the candle range plus key level. So it's mandatory, okay? So we need a key level. For you guys, don't come here, it doesn't work, okay. Candle range, key level. After that, we're going to low time frame entry, okay? Our low time frame entry, just let me make this low time frame entry, okay? More beautiful for you guys. And then we need to see some draw of liquidities and targets. Where to take targets, right? Full TP because we need money. Okay, so first things first, NASDAQ model, time is more important than price. This is mandatory. Okay, time window 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay, this is the only time you're gonna turn on your PC and do your fucking trades in this time. Okay, if past 11 a.m., shut down the PC. Before 11 a.m., shut down the PC. Okay, you just need 2 hours of your day here. Right. Candle range 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. Why can't be both? I'm gonna show you. Okay, because in some cases you have the 9 a.m. candle range to be purged. Okay, but in this case we have our 8 a.m. candle range, and I'm going to red this 2 pixels. Okay, this is your candle range, right? Today this is today. Okay, I just pick a random day that's today, and almost every day this works. Okay, you just have to be patient and wait. Okay, you spot your 8 a.m. candle or your 9 a.m. candle. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is the 8 a.m. candle, and you want to see if this 8 a.m. candle, okay, or 9 a.m. candle has what? A key level been hit. So this candle must hit a key level, okay? This is why can be 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. candle, because one of these two candles most likely hit a key level, okay? And when this 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. candle hits a key level, that's your candle range, okay? I hope it be clear. So, candle range. You have a key level. You guys take a look here. You tell me. We have a key level? Yeah, we do. Where? We have a key level right here. Okay? And we have a pass key level right here as well. Has already been purged in 5 a.m. Okay? 5 a.m. in Asia session. It's probably the London session. Okay, here. It's gonna be purged right here. So, anyway, no further ado. You have your key level right here. You have the 8 a.m. candle hitting the key level. Can be the 7? No, 8 a.m. candle, because markets open at 9, and when it opens, most likely it's gonna manipulate the 8 a.m. candle range. Okay, 8 a.m. candle key level. Okay, so we have the candle range, we have the key level, right? So now how we do our entries, right? So we are in the 1 hour time frame here for this candle range marks and key levels. So open and the highs and lows are key levels, right? And candle range 1 hour. We go to the 1 minute chart, okay? And I want you guys to pay very carefully attention to this right here, right? I'm gonna explain this. If you wanna watch it back, you wait for the manipulation occurs in the opening of the market. Okay, can be occur before the opening? Yes, it can, but most likely it occurs within the open of the market. Okay, like today, we hit the low, right? Is this what I said? Because the candle range itself, it works. You can't take a candle range based only trade. Okay, it will work, but the perfect one, like the most beautiful trades, okay, it's going to be with a key level. So pay attention here. If you wanted to just trade, okay, go trade it. Okay, here's your entry. You have there's inverse fair value gap. You can long for here, right? Like losing this fair value gap, you can long here and aim to the this high. Okay, it's perfect. But 1.3R, what are you doing, right? So you wait here for the key level, right? So key level been hit. What is your expectation of the market? Is market push lower, right? Market pushing lower toward this low here. Okay, so we have this draw liquidity, like crystal clear draw liquidity right here. Okay, so this, it's probably, where's the doll? Right here. It's probably going to be your target, right? The first target is the range, the opposite side of a range, the candle range. So 8 a.m. candle, right? That just me. What the fuck, man? 8 a.m. candle high here. Okay, and 8 a.m. candle low right here. So your first target is this guy, it's this little guy here, 8 a.m. candle low. Okay, this is your first target. Your second target, you're gonna zoom out, okay, 1 hour, and you see a key level. Where do we have a key level here? Okay, you got it from one key level to another key level, always in the market. Okay, one external liquidity to another external liquidity. So what you have here, okay, you have a key level right here, bro, right here. Okay, so this is your final target. Your full TP should be here. Okay, your first TP is gonna be in the range. Your full TP is gonna be the key level, the external liquidity, because this is external liquidity right now. Okay, so you spot your, like, your ground, your trading ground right here. You have your candle range, and now you need to have your entry, right? So how we do our entry? We wait for the turtle soup right here. So we have the turtle soup, and we have two options. Okay, this guy, as you know, is the order block. Okay, you have the order block, and you have the IFVG right here, reverse fair value gap, right? You have two options, because pay attention here, NASDAQ, it's quite a strong movements, so it's not as technical as Forex, and many times he doesn't come back to execute your orders, so you had to be more fast than Forex here. Okay, so what can you do? Okay, I have a little trick for you guys. You can, in this inverse fair value gap, since you all just check all parameters, you know, in the past, like key level, 8 a.m. candle range, turtle soup, okay, you have the draw liquidity down there, so you can expect this price push lower. Knowing this, what you can do, you just put your stop order right here, expecting the price breaks this inverse fair value gap, right? This is your first option. Okay, it's more risky because price can just do like this and go there, but it's a risk market, right? But for you don't miss any trade, you can do like this. Okay, and you target, well, your draw liquidity down there. Oh, that's a lot better than 1.3R, right? We have a 6.4R trade right here. Okay, the other options in this case of today's trade we don't activate. It's the retest of this inverse fair value gap. Okay, didn't come back here. The retest of the order block didn't come back here either. Or the retest of the fair value gap. Here we have a fair value gap. Okay, if you don't see the entry model video, go and see the entry model video, because I'm not explaining again here. Okay, so we have a fair value gap. In this case, you have two options. Okay, you have you can adopt the technical stop, should be your correct stop, right? It's not a bad trade, 3R. Or you can use one more bold stop in this fair value candle. Okay, this candle who creates the fair value gap, you can put your stop above it, right? It's more risky. Okay, the right stop is here, but you can tie it up a little bit here to improve your risk reward ratio. Okay, so now you have a 5.5 risk to reward trade. Okay, so recap all of it right now. Okay, we have time window, important. Candle range, you're gonna mark 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. candle. Which candle purge the liquidity? The liquidity, no, sorry, the key level. You can have the 8 a.m. purge the key level or 9 a.m. purge the key level. We're gonna show another example. Yesterday, the 9 a.m. purge the key level, if I'm not wrong. Okay, I don't remember, but probably yeah. Key levels, low time frame entries. Okay, we have a whole video about that, and draw liquidities and targets. Okay, the draw liquidity should be your past key level, right? This kind of guy here. So yesterday we have a trade as well, because we have trades every day in this model, right? So we're gonna look for the 8 a.m. candle. First things first, 8 a.m. candle. Where is our 8 a.m. candle? Oh, this guy here, 8 a.m. candle. Okay, red 2 pixels. Okay, candle range, right? We have what? We have a key level right here, right? Key level, 8 a.m. candle range. So go down to 1 minute, and the chart's gone. Here we are. So 8 a.m. candle, 8 a.m. candle, 8 a.m. candle, here. 8 a.m. high, 8 a.m. low. I had no need to write this for you guys. You guys are smart, you're gonna see it, right? So key level, turtle soup, expecting push price lower. Okay, markets open right here. Remember what I said? Markets opens, manipulates, and come down. Okay, in this cases, like this, what you can do here, you have, well, you have the order block right here. This is your order block, right? You can expect the price push lower, retest the order block, and calm down. Okay, yeah, that's an option, valid option. Order block entry. Okay, if you target the 8 a.m. lows, probably gonna stop out here, but I will show you guys. Take it easy. Okay, one stop doesn't mean anything. You can have one stop, 2 stops per day. That's totally fine. Okay, I know you guys don't like to stop, but it's part of the game, you know. If you don't take a position like in half of this range, you can as well. Okay, if you want, just scalp a little bit more, you can just drag your position here, but it's not good with reward. Okay, but you know, just beginning in the trades, you want to be confident about it, just grab to the middle of your 8 a.m. candle range. Okay, that's fine. Should be pay most of the time, right? So okay, you gotta stop out. So oh my god, I gotta stop. Wow, what I gonna do right now? Okay, just go back to 1 hour, please. Please don't freak out. Okay, go back to 1 hour and see. Oh, we have a 9 a.m. candle right here, right? And now we have the 9 a.m. candle right here. Okay, I'm gonna just erase this 8 a.m. for not confusion our targets right here. Okay, so now the 9 a.m. candle, it's your candle range, and it's a valid candle range because we in the key level, right? So going back to the entry time frame, 1 minute time frame, where is the charts? Oh, right here. Just erase this. Okay, and here, what we have here, okay, the same thing. We have the order block entry. We have a little more things, okay, but we do have the order block entry right here. Okay, we do have an inverse fair value gap right here. Okay, let's see what more we can see right here. Order block, inverse fair value gap. The SIS is here, so no SIS nearby. We have a fair value gap, a key here, never come back, right? But we do have fair value gap. So let's take this order block entry, okay? Soon as the price close below here, you're gonna enter on the retest of the order block, okay? Enter on the retest of the order block. Stop above the high, right? You can just, you don't have to squeeze your stop like this, okay? You can have a little room here, okay? That's fine, okay? You can just let your stop here. In your target, you have two targets in this case, okay? First target, it's the 9 a.m. candle low, this guy here. And your second target, that is your real draw liquidity, and your key level is this guy right here. Remember, key level, purge the key level, turtle soup, next key level, right? So here, draw liquidity. So you confidently can push your trade until your draw liquidity, okay? And then you have a 9.2 hour trade. Oh, what the fuck? 9.2 hour trade, okay? You can, or 0.5% of your candle range, okay? For targets, 0.5% of candle range right here, 2R. It's a trash one. You can, the bottom, you know, the candle low, it's 4.5. That's really good. Or if you're more bold one, you can just drag it to your next draw liquidity, 9R. Okay, so guys, I do believe is this for this model. Okay, so if you want to guys recap all that I said, time window, candle range, 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. can be both, but they need to hit a key level. As they hit a key level, you go to your low time frame entry, choose your entry model, do your trade, and for your targets, you can aim for the CRT opposite N, so higher or low, the 50% of your candle range, or your next key level 1 hour. That should be your draw liquidity. Okay, so for today is this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you can use this model a lot in your day-to-day. And that's it, guys. Good trades.